What is methamphetamine?
Methamphetamine, commonly known as crystal meth, is a highly addictive and destructive drug. It is white, odorless, bitter-tasting crystal powder that is taken orally, smoked, snorted, or is dissolved in alcohol or water.
What are the short-term effects?
The short-term effects are that it creates a false sense of well-being and energy, so a person tends to push their body further and faster than it should go. After the drugs wear off, it causes a crash, which leads to a mental or physical breakdown. Other effects are extreme weight loss, disturbed sleep patterns, hyperactivity, nausea, irritability, and aggression.
What are the long-term effects?
In the long run, it damages blood vessels in the brain, which cause stroke and irregular heartbeat, which can cause cardiovascular collapsing, leading to death. It causes liver and kidney damage, along with damaged nasal tissue. It leads to severe tooth decay, disorientation, mood disorders, psychosis, and depression. It damages the brain in a similar way that Alzheimer's disease does.
What is MDMA, otherwise known as ecstasy?
MDMA is a psychiatric drug, used primarily as a recreational drug. Some effects are empathy, pleasure, heightened sensation, increased levels of sexuality, begin after 30 to 45 minutes of ingestion, and resolves after 3 to 6 hours. Deaths have been reported due to increase in body temperature and dehydration. MDMA increases the releases and slows the reputable of the neurotransmitters. This was made back in 1912.
What is cocaine?
Cocaine, also known as coke, is a strong stimulant mostly used as a recreational drug. It is commonly snorted, inhaled, or injected into the veins. Mental effects may include loss of contact with reality and an intense feeling of happiness or agitation.
What are the long-term effects?
Long-term effects of cocaine is permanent damage to blood vessels of heart and brain, high blood pressure, leading to heart attacks, strokes, and death. Liver, kidney, and lung damage, destruction of tissues and nose if sniffed, and respiratory failure if smoked, malnutrition, weight loss, severe tooth decay, sexual problems, reproductive damage.
This is why we choose hugs, not drugs.
Okay, let's see.